Tired of losing your keys or wallet? The Apple AirTag is here to save your sanity, making lost items a thing of the past. This tiny, powerful device is a game changer for keeping track of your most valuable items, an essential gadget for 2025. Its incredible precision finding with ultra-wideband technology guides you directly to your lost item, showing exact distance and direction right on your iPhone. Forget guessing games. This isn't just any old Bluetooth tracker. It's a pinpoint locator, setting it apart from the competition. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously easy. Just one tap with your iPhone and you're connected, ready to track within seconds. And don't worry about splashes or dust. With IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle everyday adventures without a hitch. Whether it's for your luggage, backpack, or even pet, this Apple tracker offers unparalleled peace of mind wherever you go. Ready to experience this amazing peace of mind? Find the best deals on the Apple AirTag 4-pack by clicking the Amazon link in the description below right now. No other device integrates so seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem, providing robust security and a vast finding network. For anyone wanting to upgrade their tracking game, the Apple AirTag is undoubtedly the best Bluetooth tracker and a top electronic buy for 2025. You won't regret this purchase.